Chat Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up some Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone griddle. Oh, hell yeah. My favorite way to make a Philly cheesesteak is with sirloin tips. Beef sirloin tips, I think, are amazing. Slice them thin. Season them up with just some simple kosher salt and black pepper. Amazing stuff. And I use an Italian blend of cheese, double cheese. So you put that on your beef, whatever kind of beef you're using, and once you pop that on your toasted bun, whatever size you're using, I'm using a giant Italian loaf, and pop that on there. Once that cheese starts to melt after your beef has been cooking, you're going to put that onto that toasted bun of yours. Then you're going to top it with your peppers and onions and whatever else you want. And then you're going to layer it with cheese again. Oh, hell yeah. Then you're going to pop that closed, and she's ready to rock from there. Or you can pull it off and cover it with aluminum foil like I did here, and then slice into it in about 10 minutes, and the bread gets really nice and soft. Everything marinates very good, and it's a delicious, amazing Philly cheesesteak. Oh, hell yeah. The perfect Philly cheesesteak, in my opinion. That is. And then, when you're slicing in this Philly cheesesteak, you're going to want to wait a minute. And then you're going to want to go ahead and grab a cold one and pop the top on that son of a gun and give it a bottoms up. Oh, hell yeah. Delicious food and beverage over here at the Barbecue Shanty. And I don't even use any sauce or anything, but you can throw that on there as well. Just try to keep it a little less sloppy because that cheese pulls it all together. Throw down slices of provolone, throw down cheese whiz, whatever you want. Make it yours and have a great damn Sammy. And then, like I always say, pop the top on a cold one. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers, folks. So join the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is.